I like to use Canva for my Twitter quotes.
Now you're gonna open Canva. You can either do it in the app, you can do it on the browser, you can even do this on your computer. All of it is pretty similar, but you're gonna go into the search bar and type in Twitter quotes. Once you do that, it's gonna come up either quotes or posts, whichever. Click on the one and you're gonna look for whichever Twitter quote you want to look. I like to pick the super simple. I can match that with anything and make sure it's white. So once I do that, I can start changing the photo. I'm gonna pick a photo that is obviously aesthetic. I'm gonna start changing the name, my username. So this is very simple things that you can do. Now, once I have everything ready and I wrote my quote, I am ready to save it, download or screenshot it. And now I'm gonna show you how to actually put that Twitter quote into your reel. Open Instagram app and pick whichever video that you want to do. The very first way I'm going to show you is through stories. Now stories, you're just going to open the video that you already should have prepared, paste whichever photo that you want. That's one of the easiest ways to do. Another one where it's going to be straight in the reel tab of Instagram. Go into reel like you're going to make a reel and upload that video. Click on that, and when you press next, open your Photos app, open the photo, go into your lower left, and then scroll down to where it says copy photo, go back into Instagram, and then press paste photo. And in this case, it already knew that it was copied, so it's just gonna say add sticker. There you go. One of the coolest tricks is that you can actually decide how and when that comes up. That Twitter quote can come in whenever it is that you pick. Right on that bottom little bar, you can toggle it however you want.
I'll just see you in the next video. Let me know which one you like. Bye!